Risk management is a critical component of any successful business. It involves identifying, assessing, and mitigating potential risks that could impact the organization's operations, finances, and reputation. Effective risk management can help businesses to minimize losses, ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, and maintain stakeholder confidence. One of the key strategies for managing risk is to identify potential risks. This involves conducting a thorough risk assessment to identify potential risks, including internal and external risks. Internal risks may include things like employee errors, equipment failures, and data breaches, while external risks may include things like market fluctuations, natural disasters, and cyber attacks. Once potential risks have been identified, the next step is to assess their likelihood and impact. This involves evaluating the potential consequences of each risk and determining the likelihood of it occurring. By assessing the likelihood and impact of potential risks, businesses can prioritize their risk management efforts and focus on the risks that are most critical to their operations. After assessing potential risks, businesses can develop strategies to mitigate them. This may involve implementing controls, such as policies and procedures, to prevent risks from occurring. It may also involve developing contingency plans to respond to risks if they do occur. By having a plan in place, businesses can minimize the impact of potential risks and ensure that they are prepared to respond quickly and effectively. Another important aspect of risk management is monitoring and reviewing risks. This involves regularly reviewing and updating risk assessments to ensure that they remain relevant and effective. It also involves monitoring risk mitigation strategies to ensure that they are working as intended. By continually monitoring and reviewing risks, businesses can identify new risks and adjust their risk management strategies accordingly. Risk management is not just about avoiding risks, it's also about taking calculated risks to achieve business objectives. Businesses need to be able to take risks to innovate, grow, and stay competitive. However, they need to do so in a way that is informed and managed, rather than reckless and impulsive. By having a robust risk management framework in place, businesses can take calculated risks that align with their goals and objectives. In addition to these strategies, businesses should also consider the importance of risk culture. A strong risk culture can help to foster a culture of risk awareness and management throughout the organization. This involves promoting a culture of transparency, accountability, and continuous improvement, where employees feel empowered to identify and report potential risks. Moreover, risk management is not just the responsibility of a single department or individual, it's a collective responsibility that requires input and participation from all employees. By involving employees in the risk management process, businesses can tap into their knowledge and expertise, and ensure that risk management strategies are effective and practical. Furthermore, technology can play a critical role in risk management. Businesses can use various tools and software to identify, assess, and mitigate risks. For example, businesses can use data analytics to identify potential risks and trends, and use risk management software to track and manage risks. In conclusion, managing risk is a critical component of any successful business. By identifying potential risks, assessing their likelihood and impact, and developing strategies to mitigate them, businesses can minimize losses and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. By monitoring and reviewing risks, businesses can identify new risks and adjust their risk management strategies accordingly. By fostering a strong risk culture and involving employees in the risk management process, businesses can promote a culture of risk awareness and management throughout the organization. The benefits of effective risk management are numerous. By managing risk effectively, businesses can reduce the likelihood of losses, improve their reputation, and increase stakeholder confidence. Effective risk management can also help businesses to stay competitive and achieve their goals. In today's fast-paced and complex business environment, risk management is more important than ever. Businesses face a wide range of potential risks, from cyber attacks and data breaches to natural disasters and market fluctuations. By prioritizing risk management and developing effective risk management strategies, businesses can minimize the impact of potential risks and ensure their continued success. Ultimately, risk management is about being proactive and prepared. By identifying potential risks and developing strategies to mitigate them, businesses can reduce the likelihood of losses and ensure their continued success. By fostering a strong risk culture and involving employees in the risk management process, businesses can promote a culture of risk awareness and management throughout the organization. The future of risk management is likely to be shaped by emerging technologies and trends, such as artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize risk management by providing businesses with new tools and insights to identify and mitigate risks. By staying ahead of the curves and embracing new technologies and trends, businesses can ensure that their risk management strategies remain effective and relevant. In the end, risk management is a critical component of any successful business. By prioritizing risk management and developing effective risk management strategies, businesses can minimize losses, ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, and maintain stakeholder confidence. By fostering a strong risk culture and involving employees in the risk management process, businesses can promote a culture of risk awareness and management throughout the organization.